Welcome to Deep Dive. I was wondering, how about if we apply an investment framework to our life, especially when it comes to growth, habits, and success? And I realized that it changes everything. Think about the best investment advice you have ever heard. It usually sounds something like this: invest in strong, high value assets and stocks, and then leave them alone. Don't panic every day, don't keep checking the price every hour, don't touch them. Give this investment a few years, maybe even a decade or two, and let compounding do its magic for you. And over time, what looks small in beginning grows into something substantial, quietly, gradually, but powerfully. And I believe personal growth works exactly the same way. The habits you build today, the discipline you practice, the hard things you choose to do, these are long term investments. And I encourage you to look at them that way. They are not designed to give you any emotional profit tomorrow morning. They are not going to give you any outcome tomorrow morning. They are designed to compound in the long run. Now, the problem is most of us expect daily dividends, daily results, daily outcomes. For example, you start working out for 2 weeks and expect a transformation. You study for a few months and expect mastery. You apply for jobs for a short period and expect immediate success. You start a business and expect quick profits. When results don't show up quickly, our motivation drops, our doubt creeps in. We start questioning the entire process itself. But that's because we are thinking like a trader. We are thinking as if this is some sort of transaction where you give something and instantly you get something. But we are not thinking like an investor. We are not thinking like a businessman. We are not thinking in long term. We don't have maybe that patience. If you look at investors, they focus on the process, not daily fluctuations. If you go to the gym every day, eat better, sleep well, but stop constantly checking the mirror for visible change, something powerful happens. Now you are detaching from short term outcomes and you are committing to long term growth. If you study consistently without obsessing over immediate results, your knowledge will compound. If you apply for jobs daily, keep improving your skills, keep refining your resume, eventually you will find right opportunities. If you work on your communication, leadership, or business skills, you may not see dramatic changes this month, but 5 years later, the difference will be undeniable. Maybe you will astound yourself. And yes, I do agree that investors review their portfolio periodically. They assess, they adjust, they rebalance if required, but they don't abandon their investment just because the growth is slow or sometimes the growth is not existing at all. That mindset is very crucial for your personal success, growth, and when it comes to building right habits. Let's look at some companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and Tesla today. When you look at these companies, do you think they become giants overnight? Do you think their growth was built right away? In fact, quite opposite is true. They grew on years of reinvestment, experimentation, failures, corrections, and persistence. And I think the same is true for many elite athletes, successful entrepreneurs, respected leaders in the world. Their success compounded over time. Growth is rarely explosive at the beginning. It is, in fact, invisible. It feels extremely slow. It tests your patience. And this is where most of us quit. We invest effort for a short time and withdraw too early. But if we treat our habits like long term assets, if we consistently invest our time, energy, attention, and discipline, the returns will eventually come. They may not come instantly, as I have repeatedly mentioned. They may not come dramatically at first, but they would there come steadily and powerfully. And one day, what once felt small and insignificant will have created a domino effect for you. And you will see that your skills have multiplied. Now your confidence has grown, your opportunities have expanded, and your results will speak. So shift your mindset. Stop demanding daily rewards. Stop expecting any type of outcome on daily basis. Start trusting long-term compounding. Think in long term. Think like investment. Just whenever you do something, whenever you take any action steps in regards to your goals, just do your work and forget it. You consistently keep doing it, and eventually it is going to compound. And once something compounds, it is going to give you tremendous results. So keep investing, be patient, stay consistent, because success is not a lottery win. It's pretty much like a long term investment, day in, day out. So, next time when you are demotivated or demoralized due to lack of results in whatever endeavor you are, think like this. Just focus on the process, focus on your action steps, focus on what you need to do in the moment, and forget about the outcome. Keep doing it because this is your investment. And if your investment is in the right place, eventually it is going to compound and it is going to give you the rewards. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next one.